guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to get shift lock mode in Plants vs. Brainrot, and let's get straight into the video. So if you want to be able to get shift lock mode for PC, all you have to do is simply click on the shift lock switch, the left shift lock switch on your keyboard. You can actually click the right one as well, it works. However, for some reason, if this is not working, what you guys can do is go over to settings. From settings, make your way over to shift lock switch and make sure it is turned on. Because if it is not turned on, if it's set to off, then it will not work. So go ahead and make sure that it's on, and then you can go ahead and click on shift lock and it will work. Another thing you guys can try doing is also by making sure that your keybind is actually set to, shift lock. I don't think you can actually change your keybinds in the settings or in this game, so you should be good, and it should be the left shift lock. Anyway, yeah, so that should be it for the video. Again, if you want to be able to if you want to be able to switch or turn on shift lock mode, just click on the left shift lock and that should be it, and make sure it's turned on in settings. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.